Here's problem 15 from the 2014 AMC 8. The circumference of a circle with center O is divided into 12 equal arcs, marked with the letters A through L. Two inscribed angles are drawn, angle X and angle Y. What is the sum of the angles X and Y in degrees? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's draw the circle with its 12 equally spaced points, labeled A through L, and its center O. A full circle is 360 degrees, split into 12 equal arcs. So each small arc measures 360 divided by 12, which is 30 degrees. Here is the key idea. Angle X and angle Y are both inscribed angles. An inscribed angle equals half of the arc that it intercepts. The arc that sits across from the angle. Look at angle X. Its intercepted arc spans two of the small arcs. So that arc is 2 times 30, which is 60 degrees. Angle Y intercepts 4 of the small arcs. So its arc is 4 times 30, which is 120 degrees. Now take half of each intercepted arc. Angle X is 1/2 of 60 degrees, which is 30 degrees. Angle Y is 1/2 of 120 degrees, which is 60 degrees. Adding them, X plus Y equals 30 plus 60, which is 90 degrees. So the sum of angles X and Y is 90 degrees.